Okay, so today's quiz is going to be over these first two equations. These first two equations here are going to be two-step equations. I highly recommend, as I told you yesterday, anytime you're solving equations that's going to be more than one step, I would automatically put PEMDAS, order of operations, on your paper backwards. Because you're going to use order of operations backwards to help you get the variable by itself. So order of operations backwards is going to be SADMET. You're going to use each of those letters to help you identify what number you get rid of first. So the first thing I'm going to do, circle my variable, and draw my line of equality. My end goal is to always get the variable by itself. I'm going to do that by using inverse operation. Now, I can't just randomly pick which number I want to get rid of. I have to do it in a particular order. So I'm going to look up here and use SADMET to help me. So the S stands for subtraction. Do you see any numbers up there that has subtraction in it? Yes. So that's the one you get rid of first. So what's the inverse operation for subtraction? Add. So I'm going to add 2. Whatever I do to one side,
you do to the other.
That's right. So now on my left side, I still have the A divided by 5 equals, and then on the right side, what's negative 3 plus 2?
5.
Negative 3 plus negative 1. Use that calculator to help you. Okay, now you're back to a one-step equation. So you have A divided by 5 equals negative 1. Well, what's the inverse operation for division?
You multiply.
Yeah, so I'm going to multiply each side by what?
5.
So that's going to cancel on my left side. So now I finally have the variable by itself on the left. So I'm going to bring the A down. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. And then I'm going to take negative 1 times 5, which gets me negative 5. Good. Thumbs up if you had that right. Okay.
I had everything else but that. Did you just put a...
Me too. I had everything but that too.
What did you do?
Negative sign.
Okay, so you just put, okay. Now watch those negatives. It'll change the outcome of your answer. Okay, so as always, I'm going to circle my variable. I'm going to draw my line of equality. Now this problem's a little bit different because it's not just showing division of one number. It's showing a set of numbers on the top and then one number on the bottom. So when you have a set of numbers or variables on the top part, what I like to do is go ahead and put parentheses around that. Because I put parentheses around that, when would I get rid of that 2? The second step, yeah, the very end. Because it's in parentheses, I don't touch that yet. Because I know I can't touch the 2 yet, what number am I going to get rid of?
You gotta get rid of the 5.
How do I do that?
Multiply 5 each side.
Okay, so Brendan, from here, what do I bring down on my left side?
The B minus 2.
Do I need to put parentheses around it?
No.
No. And then what do I bring down on my right side?
Negative 3 times 5.
Which is?
15.
Negative 15. Good. All right. Then you're to a one-step equation. How do I get the B by itself, Jemiah? I'm going to add 2. So my B's cancel. Left side, I bring down my B. My equal sign, Devontae, negative 15 plus 2. Perfect. And that's it. How'd we do? Thumbs up if you got it. All right, and we're going to stop there.